Hey besties, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. I have missed you guys so much, but your girl is back. We are going to speak on some fall handbags that are quickly coming up on us, and I am also going to speak on permanent handbags. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you're doing what you want. What you want.
Okay besties, I am happy to be back. I have a little bit of tea for you guys before we get into the permanent collection. First and foremost, we know the Atlantis handbag is coming to the US. We got that out the way. I gave you product code numbers and I gave you a few prices. But a little birdie and one of my CAs confirmed that we are also getting the Atlantis in the GM size. I didn't know this. I was making a joke about the runway and she said, Marquita, we are getting a GM size in the monogram Atlantis. I have to confirm this information with my other two sources, but hey, two people told me today that is true. So we are getting a PM, MM, and a GM size in the Atlantis handbag. You guys know I will keep you updated if anything changes. So let's be excited about that. We are also excited that we are getting the black leather and also the cream leather in the Atlantis handbag if it make it in the stores. You guys better have a CA right now. We are almost done with August. September will go by so fast. October is when pre-orders are opening and these handbags launch in November. Get on it ASAP. It's so many CAs on Instagram. Do whatever you have to do to get one of these Atlantis handbags, okay? Now, we are done with that. I want to speak to you guys about the Saumur BB handbag. Yes, it just recently launched on Friday. So many of you guys are telling me how cute it is. Some of you guys have already returned this handbag. Me, myself, you guys know how I am. I have to try it out for myself. No, I am not purchasing. I am going to go in the Galleria because I love trying handbags on. And of course, my husband's going to be with me. But the reason I passed, you guys know, the vachetta, it's just too much. It's too much. I do not want to baby another handbag. So if you guys have it, you love it, kudos to you. I heard that it's very small. But then again, who am I to say a handbag is small when I have the mini bum bag? I'm curious. I want to know if it holds both of my phones. The iPhone 14 Pro Max and the iPhone 14 Pro. So I am going in to try the handbag on. I love the tote weight and I also love, I want to see how it looks as a crossbody. I love the pictures that I have seen so far as a crossbody. So I just want to go in and, you know, dibble dabble, play a little bit and see how it looks. And of course, if it's in the Galleria, my CA said she had a few, I am going to come back and show you guys some of my shots. Also, I heard that we are getting the Saumur BB in leather. Guys, we are supposed to be receiving the Saumur BB in leather as well. Now, we're not getting a reverse monogram. That's fine. Okay. But I told you guys, this is what I want. A carefree handbag. That's all I want in my collection. I don't know if it's going to be cream, turtle dove, or black. We don't know. But of course, they always go with the black and cream. We hardly get turtle dove, but that's all I can think of. So I am hoping and praying, because I love the design of the Saumur BB handbag. So that's some more tea for you guys to think about. So if you purchase the canvas handbag, I'm not going to say return. Keep your handbag. Keep your handbag, because I'm not sure if this tea is accurate, but it did come from a CA. That we're supposed to get it in leather as well. Okay. The next thing I want to talk about, some of you guys are asking me. Guys, it have to make sense. You have to honestly repeat this to yourself. You guys are torn. This is what you guys are asking me. Marquita, I want the mini bum bag. And yes, this is like the best thing that has happened to me as far as luxury handbags in 2023. I love this piece so much. I absolutely adore this. You guys know it's in and out of stock on the website. Sometimes, you know, I catch it early in the morning and then it's quickly gone, just that fast, within 10 minutes. It doesn't stay in stock long. But some of you are torn. You are asking me, should you purchase the Speedy 20 or the mini bum bag? Let me tell you something. I'm not sure if you are trying to purchase the monogram Speedy 20, and this is so cute together. Oh my goodness. So here's a Speedy 20 monogram. I'm going to keep the bum bag up because this is someone's option, okay? This is what they want. Or this is so beautiful. You are wondering which one should you purchase first, or the Saumur BB handbag, okay? Let me tell you, you are trying to choose between two permanent pieces over a hard to get, because I'm pretty sure this is not going to be permanent. My CA would have told me, and sometimes it's listed when she sends me pictures in a lookbook, and this isn't listed as a permanent piece. It's a hard to get piece. So if you have the opportunity to get a hard to get item, guys, purchase the hard to get item. You have 30 days to return. Please don't let the same issue with the original bum bag happen to you, because this is already, I've seen it already, over $1,000 with a consignment shop. Don't let this be you again. So go for the mini bum bag. Go for the high-rise bum bag as well. Those two pieces, it seemed like they are just fluctuating, like in and out, in and out, in and out. Guys, you have to make it make sense. Mini bum bag, go ahead and purchase. You have 30 days. If you see that you're not enjoying it, it just doesn't fit right, it doesn't look right on you, you can return it and get your money back. At least you're not guessing once you purchase the handbag that you want. So go for the hard to get. If you want it, go for it. If you see it in stock, go for it. If you don't like it, return it and purchase what you want and the Saumur handbag. It's simple, guys. Don't make this so don't make it so hard. And I know you're like, oh my goodness, there's so many handbags that are coming out, and that's what I want to talk to you guys about today. We are purchasing these Saumur BB handbags, the Neverfull BB handbags, the high-rise bum bags. We are purchasing all these handbags only if you guys knew, if you are interested in the side trunk in leather, your mind is going to be blown away. What we are receiving in October and November, and it's quickly coming. Please be smart with your purchases. We are receiving some nice handbags, okay? The ending of 2023 is going to blow our minds. So please be mindful of your purchases. Even from other luxury brands, if you know you are interested in the side, I'm trying to remember what I saw as I'm doing the video. If you are interested in the side trunk in the leather, remember the red side trunk in leather? And then it was another one that was like blue and it had a trimming of orange. They are quickly coming up on us, guys. Also, the GM Alma handbags, they are coming. The cream is coming. The red leather is coming. So please, you have the Atlantis handbag that's coming around. So just be mindful. You don't want to feel as if you are purchasing back to back and you're playing catch up. Because by the time these handbags come out, you won't be able to take the other handbags back. So I'm just putting it out there. When I get time, I will show more pictures and go through the lookbook and, you know, give you guys more details like I always do. And also, before I end this video, I want you guys to know that this is supposed to come out, guys, in leather. Not the by the pool colorful collection. I mean in black and also in cream. This is supposed to come out in black, leather, and cream. I'm hearing so much information. So please keep in mind before you go out and purchase all these permanent pieces. And when all of these other pieces, these hard to get pieces come out, you won't be able to purchase because you feel like at this moment, at this point, you have spent so much. So I'm trying to give you guys hints without giving you a hint, but you guys understand. So, it's supposed to come out in leather. If you are a fan of the mini bum bag, if you were kind of torn between having a canvas handbag in your collection, another canvas handbag, or canvas bum bag, just know we are supposed to get this in leather as well, in the black and cream. There it is. I'm giving you guys the tea. I'm giving you guys the tea. So let me know how you feel. If you know any information, any more details on what I spoke on today, please share in the comments. You know, we are together in this community. And again, like I said, I am going to go through the lookbook and I am going to bring you guys back details, prices, product code numbers, but these handbags that are coming out. The leather side trunks, the Atlantis handbags in canvas and also in leather, the Alma GM in red leather, and also, please note, the mini bum bag in leather as well. So again, guys, this information is getting juicy and it's getting hot for fall. I took a look at some of the fall boots. As of right now, I am not interested in any of the boots that LV has released. I went on the website and I wasn't convinced to purchase anything as far as boots from Louis Vuitton, but I am looking at Fendi. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I am so happy to be back, and I am going live tomorrow to speak on my bandos, and I do have some bandos for sale. So thank you guys for tuning in. As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video, bye bye.